Okay, so I'm just really tired of social distancing, and I was tired of my studio too. So I came on over to South Florida and decided that this feels more like home. And we're gonna change content up a little bit. I Trust Dream. I'm taking their spot now. I mean, well, that's up to Touchtone, if he's okay with that.
All right. Come on, man. Who told you you can record? What's going on here, man? Let's go.
It's Roku Thursday.
Come check me out.
It's Roku Thursday.
Everyone, come check me out. Yes, guys, the Roku is back. It's Roku Thursday. You guys like the song? I know you love the song. We did this in the studio a while ago. Yeah, it was with Solo Man as well. All right. Anyways, if you're new, go below and subscribe. Hit the little bell. Keep alerted of all my videos. I would appreciate that. That's where you get all my content. Everything we get that's new, you get here first by hitting the little bell after you subscribe. And I'm Touchtone from Touchtone App and Tech Trends. We're bringing you guys the latest app and tech trends. Now let's getting back to this video. We're gonna enhance. We're gonna talk about how to enhance the best tricks, everything we can do for your Roku. A lot of you guys got a Roku and they've gone down. We've done some videos last week on the IPTV app going down. Now the IPTV app is back. Well, if you're interested in that, it'll be at the end of the video, there'll be a link and there'll be one in a little bit coming right across. So you can click on that, go watch it and come back over here if you're interested in that. The best live TV service and the best live TV service app for your Roku. Very easy. You can also use it on Fire Stick and much, much more. Okay, so now let's get back into how to enhance and what are the best tricks for your Roku. There's so many tricks, so many ways to enhance it. It all depends, what are you looking for to enhance? Are you looking for a better remote? Are you looking for a better way of texting? Are you looking for a better way to search? Are you looking for a better way for update? What is it? Well, we're gonna try to cover everything under that brush because you know how we do it here, okay? So check this out. Tone Squad, so check it out. First of all, step number one, trick number one, we're gonna show you guys, this is one that I always love to tell everybody, your remote. But this is a different way. This is not the application. We'll get to that one as well. Yes, a lot of people don't know that you can use an old Roku with a new remote. So you can purchase a new remote with the voice control. That way you get the features of your voice control. Yes, that's right. What do you gotta do? Well, we're gonna get to the second step, and the second trick is gonna go with the first one. So if you purchase, maybe I should have done the first one the other way. I don't wanna confuse you guys. Look, buy a remote with the voice control. That is gonna do wonders. Second trick is gonna go with the first one, okay? Update your Roku. You need to update your Roku if you want this remote to work, okay? So what you do is you go into your settings, you go to your options, you click on updates, and bam, update, make sure it's to the current version so you can find out when's the last time you updated it, keep it current always, especially Roku box or Roku stick. Now a lot of people say, why would I need a newer remote? Well, a newer remote gives you the voice control. Depending what remote you can get the headphone jack. That's step number 3, okay? And trick number 3, you can always use the headphone jack. That's the one that I love the most. If you're watching TV, your wife is next to you, your kids or whoever it may be late at night, you don't want them to hear the TV or they're complaining, you can put your headphones on the inside the back of the remote if you have that type of remote. Those remotes usually come with the Roku 4s, higher end Rokus, right? But we have a solution. If you don't have that remote, you don't have to go buy one. You can download the app. That's the 5th trick. You download the app for your Roku. It's the Roku app, okay? In the Play Store or your App Store in your iOS, iPhone, whichever one, Android, iPhone. Once you download it, it actually works as a remote. You can change the channels. You can also put in your headphone jack, even on a Roku Express or a TCL TV. Put the jack on your phone and you can listen to it just as it was the remote. You can also change the channels on the remote, which is your phone. So if you have to type something in, you can use your voice control, another feature on the phone. That app to me is the most ultimate and the best option you can use. It's better than buying an actual remote, okay? Now, what other tricks do we have for you? We have a 6th trick. We have an app called Update My Channel. Once you install this Update My Channel, now when you need to update any application, anything that you've installed or you sideloaded, You usually have to go into the settings and do all this and shut it off and shut it back on to update it. There's many ways of doing it. Well, this way, the easiest way and the quickest shortcut is you just go, that updates your channels, and that's just the easiest way to update everything. So there's so many tricks, so many ways enhancing your Roku. What tricks do you have? What tips do you have? Comment below. We're giving away $500. We're also giving away 1 month of IPTV with 6 months of IPTV. 3 winners. All you gotta do is comment, and you have to subscribe and like the video. Very important, like the video, okay? So if you've done all those, you're eligible in this video. Everything we do here, guys, is easy peasy. I appreciate you guys like always. You guys are the best. You know how we do. Peace and grace, and catch the U-Tech wave. Perfect, bro.
There you go. That's all you need.